small number or symbol written above the upper right-hand corner of the base that indicates how many times of the base is taken as a factor. Now, let's observe how the factors of the product are obtained. We have the first example, 2 to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. Another example is 2 to the power of 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Next example, 3 to the power of 2 means 3 times 2. Last example, 3 to the power of 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Therefore, x to the power of 5 means x times x times x times x times x. Now, x to the power of n here symbolizes the exponent. The x here is what we call the base. Now, this lecture will be talking about the laws of exponents. We have the first law, which is the law number 1 for any number x and positive integers m and n, then x to the power of m multiplied by x to the power of n equals x. Then you have to add the exponent. So x to the power of m plus n. Now, example. We have the example of law number 1. A to the power of 2 multiplied by a to the power of 4. Now equals a to the power of 2 plus 4 is equals to a, then add the exponent 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Now we have the final answer, the a to the power of 6. We have the law number 2. For any number x and any positive integer m and n, then we have our formula, the quantity of x to the power of n multiplied by to the power of n is equals to x to the power of n multiplied by n. For example, x squared multiplied by 3. Now we have x to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. Now, the formula is x to the power of n multiplied by n. So we have to multiply the exponents. We have x, 2 times 3 is 6. So we have the final answer, 2 to the power of x to the power of x. We have the third law, which is for all number x and y and any positive integer n, then quantity xy to the power of n is equals to x to the power of n, y to the power of n. Now, for example, quantity ab to the power of 3 is equals to 3a to the power of 3 multiplied by b to the power of 3. We have the second example, to the quantity of 2x to the power of 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by x to the power of 4 equals 16x 4. We come up 16 because 2 times 2 is equals to 4, 4 times 2 is equals to 8. 8 times 2 is equals to 16. Now we have the final answer, 16x to the power of 4. Remember to raise each factor inside a quantity to the given power. We have the fourth law. For all number integers m and n and any non-zero number x, then x to the power of m over x to the power of n is equals to 1 over x to the power of n minus m if n is greater than m. We have the second formula, which is the x to the power of m over x to the power of n. We have x to the power of m minus n 6 minus 4. Then we have the final answer, 1 over x to the power of 2. So this is our final answer. We have the second example, which is x to the power of 3 over x equals to x 3 minus 1. Then it will come up for the final answer, which is x to the power of n. We have the last law, which is to raise all factors of both numerator and denominator to given powers. We have our formula, quantity x over y to the exponent of n is equal to x to the power of n over y to the power of n. We have the example, quantity 2 to the power of 3 or 2/3 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 over 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 4 over 9. Why 4? Because we have 2 times 2 is equal to 4, then we have 3 times 3